Hello my lovely students. Great evening to one and all. Welcome in today's online class. Today we will discuss about page number 62 to 64 in GK, and this is chapter number 8. The name of the chapter is Good Habits. If we have good habits, we are liked by all, and if we have bad habits, nobody likes us. So we should apply good habits in our life. Which good habits we should apply in our life, we will learn in this chapter. So let's start to read this chapter. Today we will learn page number 62 to 64 in GK, and this is chapter number 8. The name of the chapter is Good Habits. The meaning of good habits is a behavior that is beneficial to one's physical or mental health. It is linked with high level of discipline and self-control. गुड हैबिट्स हमारा बिहेवियर होती हैं जो हमारी फिजिकल और मेंटल हेल्थ के लिए बेनिफिशियल हैं। ये डिसिप्लिन और सेल्फ कंट्रोल का हाई लेवल होती हैं। सो लेट्स लर्न अबाउट गुड हैबिट्स। नाउ वी विल रीड दिस पेज। दिस इज चैप्टर नंबर 8, गुड हैबिट्स। नाउ स्टार्ट रीडिंग। I get up early every day. We should always get up early in the morning every day. This is a good habit. हमें सुबह जल्दी उठना चाहिए। Now read the second line. I brush my teeth twice a day. We should brush our teeth twice in a day, because brushing 2 times is a good habit. हमें दिन में 2 बार ब्रश करना चाहिए। Read the third line. I take bath every morning and evening. We should take bath every day, because we should keep our body neat and clean to be healthy. So we should take bath at least 1 time daily. हमें दिन में 1 बार जरूर नहाना चाहिए। Now read the next line. I use a napkin when I eat food. We should use napkins while eating food. This is a good habit, and we should use napkin when we eat food. खाना खाते हुए नैपकिन का यूज करना चाहिए। Now read the page number 63 of chapter 8. I wear clean clothes. We should wear clean clothes daily. We feel comfort and happy by wearing clean clothes. हमें साफ सुथरे कपड़े पहनने चाहिए। Read the next line. I clip my nails often. We should clip our nails 2 days in a week, because nail contains germs, and to avoid germs we should clip our nails. हमें वीक में 2 days अपने नेल्स को कट करना चाहिए ताकि जर्म्स हमारी बॉडी के अंदर एंटर ना कर सके। Read the next line. I cover my mouth when I cough or sneeze. We should cover our mouth when we cough or sneeze, because in today's time germs are very strong. These spread in air by coughing or sneezing. In nowadays coronavirus is increasing by coughing or sneezing. So we should cover our mouth while coughing or sneezing. Read the next line. I wash my hands with soap and water after using the washroom. We should wash our hands with soap and water after using the washroom because of germs. To avoid germs, we should wash our hands with soap and water. हमें अपने हाथ साबुन और पानी के साथ अच्छी तरह से धोने चाहिए कि जो उन पे जर्म्स लगे हुए हैं वो खत्म हो जाएं. Now we will do the back exercise of this chapter. This is time to practice. Look at the pictures. Tick the ones which show children following good habits. See the first picture. I watch TV all day. मैं सारा दिन टीवी देखता हूँ. Is it right or wrong? This is not a good habit. This is a bad habit. Now see the second picture. I brush my teeth twice a day. मैं दिन में 2 बार ब्रश करता हूँ. This is right ना? So we will tick this picture. This is a good habit. Now see the third picture. I comb my hair. मैं अपने बालों को comb करती हूँ. This is a good habit. We should comb our hair daily. So we will tick it. Fourth picture. I don't cover my mouth when I cough. This is a bad habit. Because we should cover our mouth when we cough. In the fifth picture, I take bath every morning and evening. Very good. This is a good habit. We should take bath every morning and evening. हमें रोज सुबह और शाम नहाना चाहिए. तो ये good habit है. So we will tick it. Now see the sixth picture. And this is the last picture. I wake up late. मैं लेट उठता हूँ. This is a bad habit. So we will not tick it. Dear students, this is page number 64 in your book. And you will do BX of this chapter. We should apply good habits in our life. To learn more good habits, see this video.
Good habits. Brush your teeth twice daily. Exercise daily. Take 3 meals in a day. Wear clean clothes. Always speak the truth. Go to school on time. Finish your homework regularly. Respect your elders. Play together. Crossroads at zebra crossing. Help the needy person. Share your toys. Visit doctor regularly for checkup. Wash your hands before and after meals. Comb your hair daily. Keep the toilet clean. Keep the surroundings clean. Respect your teachers. Don't eat too hot or cold. Help your friends. Drink a lot of pure water. pray to God in morning and at night. Welcome the guests. Don't use abusive language. Use a subway. Care the sick. Don't insert anything in your eyes. Wash your hair regularly. Clean the ears regularly. Cut your nails regularly. Don't steal. Help the disabled. Don't shout.
My lovely students, we should apply good habits in our life to be good for all. First is get up early in the morning. Second is brush your teeth twice daily. Third is take bath every day. Fourth is use napkins while eating food. Fifth is wear always neat and clean clothes. Sixth is cut your nails 2 days in a week. Seventh is cover your mouth while sneezing or coughing. Eighth is wash your hands after using washroom. Wash your hands with soap and water. We should wash our hands before and after every meal. I hope you understood the chapter very well and you will apply good habits in your life. Thank you. Have a fantastic day. Bye bye, students.